excited for you to be here with me this morning. It's very early, and I wanted to share with you the Rose Metals palette from Anastasia, Beverly Hills. I am so excited. I've had this palette for a while, and I shared swatches, and I hope you enjoy this too, because look at this. Isn't that just beautiful? Oh yes, like this nice burnt orange color story, the greens and the reds with these different quad color stories that are mixed up in the palette. And when I saw that being explained, it was like, yes, that is perfect, because that helps me figure out the different color stories in this Rose Metals palette. But it's beautiful. So let's prime the eyes and get started. Younique. I like it. Skin Perfecting Concealer. And I am going to take a flat brush a long ways, and I think I put on too much. So we're going to share the wealth. Put that over here. Ha ha ha. There we go. There is concealer. Since there can be fallout with this palette, I am going to do my eyes first and then my face. So you get to see me the way I am before all the makeup goes on. And so I'm going to be using this fluffy brush. Rose. I'm going in with Sun Rose right now, and then we're just gonna blend, 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 blend. It's coming out rather orange on my skin, but when I look at it in real time in my mirror, it looks so much more skin toned look. It is not like crazy orange. It actually looks really nice. Really depends on the camera, I think, how it is perceived, because in real life it's like more skin toned, but here on my camera it's like orange. Really weird how cameras, you know, can sometimes lie. That's not the way it looks. Makes you scared sometimes. You do something, I'm like, oh my goodness, that looks terrible. And then when you actually look at it in real life in mirror, it's like, that's really pretty. That is like really pretty. So with that same fluffy brush, we're going to go into Sun Rose on the other side. It's just beautiful how these colors just blend so effortlessly. It makes doing makeup fun. You know how you get some palettes and you're like, you know what? This is not fun. This is work. But this is actually fun. Where you're almost stressed because things are not blending, things are not turning out, and it's like, it's perfect. You just need a tap into this, and you got color on your brush, and it does amazing. You know what? My bangs are giving me fits. I don't like it. So I am going to put on my headband and get them up out of the way. There. Now I look totally fabulous. All right. Oh yes. Perfect. For the past several weeks, I have been dealing with some eye problems. And I don't know what happened, but there has been like some real redness down here and puffiness. I went through my expired makeup, and in my last video I showed how you could use it as nail polish, and I did that. And I have upgraded. Now this is Ashes. I'm going into Ashes, and I'm just going to deepen up that crease a little bit. Give it more of a neutral look, but So finally, I've gotten to feel better about my eyes. There is still some irritations going on. What really helped clear up my eyes from that irritation, wherever it came from, is the cortisone 10. This stuff, just dabbing it under the eyes, improved the irritation and itchiness just really fast, and it was phenomenal how quickly, because I was trying everything to get my eyes to feel better, and the dry skin, it was flaking, it was everything, and now they're better. It's like awesome. You know, things happen. You don't know why, but they do. All right. But you can get some really beautiful color stories with this. Not so dark. You can darken up this look pretty good. And using a really fluffy brush, we're just going to fluff out the edges around here. Nothing on this brush, we're just fluffing. Trying to get those harsh lines to be less harsh. There you go. And we're going to take some of that Heavenly and put that up here. And taking Noble. Noble is like one of the dark colors, like that one right there. It's like really dark. This one right here. I think it's next to Nocturne. It is kind of like darkish shade. So we're gonna just take that. And all I did was tap. And it's like beautiful pigments coming out of this. Just absolutely phenomenal. I love it. Okay, fluffy. I need a fluffers. Floofers. There you go. Just taking that to like half the crease over there. Just making it a little bit more depth. What is that? And then we're gonna do Noble on this side. Yeah, look at that. I just tapped. And there is color. Lots and lots of color. This eyeshadow can fall apart. I've seen where some creators had their shadows actually fall out of the pan when they held it up to review it. And, you know, that's sad when that happens. And so you can get them back into the pan. My shadows came beautifully. They shipped it well. It looks well. Nothing went wrong. And so just in case any of my eyeshadow palettes would have problems, I got this Mousse Magic Makeup Repair, and it comes in a bag like this, and inside the bag, let's open this up, is a repair kit. This is from Amazon, and it does really well. All the noise. But it comes with tools for pressing your eyeshadow palettes. There's a square, two sides for the more slender pans, and then for the square pans, for like a very round pan and one for a small round pan. And so if any of your shadows would have problems, you can press it, and it's almost the same size. So press it in with that, like put toilet paper, or like toilet paper, or a paper towel, and you press it, and you can get your eyeshadows back in place. So I got this just in case, because recently I have discovered ABH palettes, Anastasia, Beverly Hills, and I have really enjoyed the pigmentation, enjoyed their formula. I just, just started really enjoying them. And so I know the shadows are soft and they can be rather difficult and stuff. That is turning out really pretty. Now I'm going to take Nova here on my finger. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I'm going to just tap it in the middle. It's more of a neutral look, but that gold is just beautiful. Okay, and then I'm going to do that to the other side. Blur that a little bit to see what I see. And I'm going to take a little bit more of this dune. Okay, fluffy brush. See how that just blends beautifully? All right. What you can do is take a little wipe and just clean up under the eyes, like that. And then this way, going from the corner up, and then clean up that a little bit. Let me put on some mascara. So what I have here is the LA Girls Biggie Lash tubing mascara. So far, this one has not bothered my eyes. So we're just gonna put some up here. Yep, I touched it. That's typical. Very typical. But no biggie. Biggie Lash, no biggie. You just wait. You can like flick it off. It'll be fine. Touch lashes together. Get a little bit on that bottom part, and then you just rub, 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 and it will disappear. Just like that. There you go. So this is with the Rose Metals palette from ABH. Less minutes than ever. It turned out beautiful. At first I've been struggling doing this palette. Really have been, because you know it is kind of dark, but the gold that is in it, after looking at different pictures on YouTube and other tutorials, I think I've fallen in love with this look. It's amazing. My hand is shaking a little bit, but it turned out well. Look at you, so comfortable. Yeah, look at you. The tummy. The tummy.